Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Inkscape Ink Stitch for embroidery designs. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening Inkscape on your computer and make sure you are using the latest version of the software. You should also confirm that the Ink Stitch extension is installed correctly. If it is not installed yet, you can download it from the official Ink Stitch website and follow the setup instructions before continuing. Once everything is ready, create a new document in Inkscape. It is important to set the document size to match the embroidery hoop. You can adjust these settings by going to File and then opening Document Properties, where you can enter the correct dimensions for your workspace. After setting up the document, begin creating your embroidery design using Inkscape's drawing tools. For embroidery projects, simple shapes and clean lines usually produce the best stitching results because they are easier for the machine to process accurately. When your design is complete, the next step is converting the objects into paths. Select the object you want to convert, open the Path menu, and choose Object to Path. This step is very important because InkStitch reads vector paths in order to generate embroidery stitches correctly. With your paths prepared, you can now apply embroidery settings. Select the path, then go to Extensions, hover over InkStitch, and open Params. This menu allows you to control embroidery-specific options such as stitch type, stitch density, direction, and other important settings. Once the embroidery settings are configured, preview the design at the right side of screen. After reviewing the design and making any needed corrections, click on Apply and Quit. After that, save the project in a format supported by your embroidery machine. Go to File at the top and choose Save As. Then select the embroidery file format required for your machine, such as PES or DST. Before saving, double-check the export settings to make sure the file will be compatible with your embroidery equipment. Once saved, your embroidery design will be ready to load into your embroidery machine for stitching. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Inkscape Ink Stitch for embroidery designs. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.